So in this video, I'm going to go over this flip out key fob for my Ford F-150 here. Now this also fits an Explorer, a Ranger, and a wide variety of vehicles here, but this is the 2018 Ford F-150. Now I got this truck and the only key that I had with it was this right here, which is the actual key needed. This is a chip key and it needs to start it. So one thing you're going to have to do when you picked up one of these very affordable key fobs right here, because if you went to a dealer, this is not cheap at all. This is the package it came in right here. You can see the part number on mine that I got right here. Now this is some self-programming instructions, but you are going to have to go to a locksmith or a dealer to get the key cut. So I have the key right here. Check this out. Flip out key right there. I went and had the key cut, and then they had to program the key because I did not have a key fob to program it. So they went ahead and programmed it, and I was very impressed with how this works, everybody. There's the lock, there's the unlock, and then there's a panic feature. Turn that off. I don't want to aggravate the neighbors. I let that thing go off way too much. And then check it out on how it starts the vehicle. Put it in. No issues at all starting the vehicle. The vehicle is running. Once again, it was all programmed at a locksmith. See, everything works. And then you just flip it down. It goes right in your pocket. And these are very sensitive buttons, so you don't want to mash them. It came with a battery. I see no issues with this at all. This is something I recommend for anyone that just needs a backup key fob, or they need an existing key fob that pretty much will not break the bank, because that is the most affordable key fob I've been able to find. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got. And you know what? The Ford F-150 flip out key fob. See you on the next video.